Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you quick ways to turn on or off sleep mode in Windows 11. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. Well, the sleep mode, as the name suggests, automatically sends your device into sleep mode after some time of inactivity. This helps in preserving the battery and also extends the battery life of your laptop. Usually, when you use a fresh Windows 11 laptop, you will find the sleep mode option enabled. However, if you wish to keep the screen on and prevent your PC from going to sleep, then you should know how you can turn off sleep mode in Windows 11. The question is, how can I turn off sleep mode in Windows 11? There are 6 methods through which you can turn on or off sleep mode in Windows 11. So let's start the video. First method is use Windows settings. Press the Win+I keys to open the settings menu. Click on Power and Battery. Select the Screen and Sleep option. Select Never from their respective drop-down. Second method is use the Control panel. Press the Win key to open the Start menu. Open Control panel. Select Power options. From the selected battery plan, click on Change Plan Settings. Select Never for turn off the display and put the computer to sleep options for both on battery and plugged in. Click on the Save Changes option. Third method is use Advanced Power options. Press the Win+R keys to open the Run dialog. Type control.exe powercfg.cpl and press Enter. Expand the display category. Click on the Turn off display after option. Select Never for on battery option. Type 0 for plugged in, minutes option. Click Apply and OK. You can also use the Advanced Power Options menu to turn off sleep mode in Windows 11. This will help you prevent your PC from sleeping when you are doing something important or otherwise. Fourth method is use Command Prompt. Open the Start menu by pressing the Win key. Open the command prompt as an admin. Type this command and press Enter. Restart your PC. Fifth method is press the Win+R keys to open the Run dialog. Type Regedit and press Enter. Navigate to this path in the Registry Editor. Double-click on the enabled entry on the right. Change the value data to 0 from 1. Click OK to apply the changes. Restart your PC for the changes to take effect. Using the Registry Editor will help you turn off the sleep mode in Windows 11. However, you should not tweak any registry settings if you aren't aware of what you are doing. In fact, it is advisable that you create a registry backup before you do anything with any registry entry. Sixth method is using Group Policy Editor. Press the Win+R keys to open the Run dialog. Type pedit.msc and press OK. Navigate to this path. Double-click on Allow Standby States S1 S3 when sleeping, plugged in. Select Enabled. Set the time to Never. Click on Apply and OK. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for the future videos. See you in the next video. Bye.